get asked all the time, what should every technician know to be successful? In fact, this was a recent conversation during the after-hours part of an industry event. I sat down with Doug Craig. He's the technical applications engineer at Lord Fusor, and before that, he was the collision repair manager for FCA. But many of you maybe remember him as he helped us out on a lot of episodes of OEM Repair University. Well, when you got 25 years of experience in OE procedures, processes, and development, when Doug and his team talk, well, I always sit down to listen. And here are a few things that they think every technician should know. There is only one standard for repair, and that's the OE. That's it. Really is that simple. You must research every car every time. Never assume you know anything about the car or the manufacturer's processes. Procedures can change mid-year, mid-week, and as well as approved equipment and materials change. Training is critical, and it must be constant. The vehicle is ever evolving. We simply do not know everything about every car for every repair. Seek out training wherever you can, online, in the classroom, at your shop, with a vendor. But understand, it's an everyday part of being a technician. It never ends. Repair planning is a must. It's not enough to just have the OE procedures when you're repairing a vehicle. There must be a detailed planning session in which all aspects of the repair, parts, equipment, materials, and sublet considerations, especially calibrations, are all researched and discussed in detail. This allows the tech to create a roadmap and timeline for the complete repair, ensuring everything is available and coordinated prior to starting on the vehicle. When you know where you're going, and when you know when you're going to arrive, it makes everything go smoother. Know your products. It's important that every tech understands the required material list, application requirements, or restrictions, and how those materials will play into the repair. Knowing order of install, work time, and cure times is critical to the success, but also knowing what supporting steps may be required for each material use is helpful. And last, you must have standard operating procedures. These are critical to ensuring everyone is following the same process in the shop on the vehicles that are being repaired. It sets a standard for technician performance and drives consistency throughout the repair. Just these few simple things will keep you ahead of the game when it comes to performing safe and proper repairs. And thanks, Doug, for sitting down and having that conversation.